In this short video, I'm going to quickly tell you how to make simple Igbo sentence about yourself using this rule: harmony, verb, pronoun, and object. So as you can see, our pronoun comes after our verb. Funny, right? Example. So it's your a or e depending on the vowel in the verb. If it's a heavy vowel, you use use e. If it's a light vowel, you use a. So let's say I came. I came is a simple sentence and it's a personal sentence. So using the rule I gave you right now, harmony, verb, and objects. So let's say I came to your house. Let's add object to it. So with the rule now, we start with harmony, which is a. Came, biara. Biara. So a biara. Then you add your pronoun, I. So it's funny to say I came, you have to turn it upside down. Came I. So always turn it upside down. That's how we do it. Came I. Came I to your house. Abiaram. No loge. In your house. G is your. So always remember is your harmony and your verb and your pronoun before the object. So if it's I want, a chorum, which is want I. Bye.